Welcome back to Vlogmas day 12. So I just left our like company Christmas party. It's not company, but like our black organization vibe Christmas party. So I'm leaving for the day. I'm off tomorrow, so today was my Friday. Today was a cool, smooth day. Went by really quickly. Went to the party. Now I'm going to run into Forever 21 quickly to see if I can find some pieces. Play a lot of loud music, so I'm not going to be able to record, but I'm going to record like some B-roll. Okay, you guys, so I just got home, and when I was at Forever 21, I tried, bed trying to catch me slipping. So when I was in Forever 21, I tried on one dress, and I have like one clip of that. Why is this tripod acting crazy? Because it will go back. I didn't like it only for the simple fact that it fit up top, but when it got towards the bottom, it wasn't as tight as I would like it to be. And if I went smaller, then it would be too small at the top. That's my issues with having larger breasts, like trying to find things that fit. And it was like sheer, so I was like, do I want to be risque and just show, you know, like get like wear a nude bra and panties, or do I want to like get like a cami slip under or something? I was just like, I don't even have time nor the energy to put into any of that, so I just let it be. But I did get it's funny, y'all, I got these like leather biker type shorts or whatever. I have a look in mind with these. That's the only reason why I got them, and they fit really cute on. So I just have this that I'm going to put in my suitcase as a possible. And then I got some jewelry. I always have to pick up new jewelry whenever I go out of town, because for some reason I always lose like my rings and stuff. So I'm gonna teach you guys a diva trick. What you do is you get fake jewelry, and then while it's still in the package, you put like clear nail polish on it. And when you do that, it doesn't turn, like it makes your jewelry last longer. So do that for all your jewelry. I'm trying to think what I want to tackle first. So I'm supposed to be taking my, I'm trying to make sure I ain't got no coupon at the bottom, because the last time I got some Forever 21, I had a coupon at the bottom. Okay, no coupon. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do first, because my roommate, I had asked her 2 days ago if she could re-braid my hair. She usually like braids my hair for me, but she's not here. She's not a phone person, so I don't want to take my hair out, and she's tired and doesn't want to do it anymore, and then I'm SOL. But I do know for a fact that I want to deep condition this wig. So what I'm gonna do is I should probably deep condition the wig while I'm packing. I'm talking this out. I'm talking to y'all. Do I want to do that? Because then I'm like, do I even want to wash? Like, I'm just being really lazy. Like, do I even want to wash my hair? Should I just like do what I've been doing, like wash it in the shower and go? I feel like that's what I want to do, because I don't feel like deep conditioning it. And then I leave early in the morning. My flight leaves at 9:40, so I need to be out of my house by like 7:40. Because it's during like rush hour time, I'm gonna give myself at least 2 hours to get to the airport, because LaGuardia Airport, child, be crazy. I think this is her coming in the house, so I can ask her. Or do I want to wait to get my hair at the end of the weekend, like get my hair washed? I don't know, y'all. I don't know what to do. We also have to handle this friend on the side of my face that has not gone anywhere. I might put some toothpaste on it tonight, because I don't fucking understand. You are an unwanted friend, and it's like right here by my nose, so it's not like I can put make it a mole or nothing, because it's just weird. We gotta do skincare. That's an agenda, because we didn't do it last night, so we gotta do it today. Let me start with packing. Let me get the packing out of the way. That way I can have all my outfits laid out and I know what I need to bring, and then from there I can move on to the beauty stuff, because then I definitely need to wash my makeup brushes and pack all my makeup up. So yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna start with the clothes, and Lynn got all the fits and all the possibles and everything, because I am only bringing a carry-on because I'm not trying to pay for luggage. Point blank period. No need for me to be packing a whole bunch of extra stuff, because I'm only gonna be there for a weekend. So my biggest issue always is shoes. I always overpack shoes. So to eliminate that, I think I'm only gonna pack like 2 pairs of shoes and then wear a pair. So I need to figure that out too. Ugh, but I don't want to bring little bags. Okay. So let me lay out all my outfit possibles, and then I'm gonna come on back. All right, y'all. So much time has passed. I got on the phone, started running my mouth per usual, but I did lay out everything that I'm about to put in my suitcase, and I'm praying that it fits, because. Whew. But I gotta tell y'all the ghetto shit that just happened to me. And I got my receipt, so y'all won't be trying to play me. So when I went to Forever 21, I got these like, hold on, delayed this way. These like liquid leather like biker shorts. It's a look coming with it. But they left a sensor on the freaking pants. And I don't have no time to go to Forever 21 and get them to take it off. I did pay for them. Show my receipt. It's on here. Right here. Did not steal them, but I didn't even like go off when I left, so like that just made me like really irritated. So now I'm like, damn, can I put those in my suitcase to go on the airplane? Like, is that little metal thing gonna go off on the plane for me going through? So now I gotta pack the receipt, because I want to wear them, so I'm gonna have to go run to somebody's Forever 21 within that time to get that taken off. I'm stressed. Literally stressed, and it's getting late, like really late. But I wanted to show y'all what I'm about to put in my suitcase really quickly. So I have this blue dress from Boohoo. If you guys see my Boohoo haul, which is on this channel, then you will see this dress. But this is what I'm gonna wear to graduation, and I'm gonna wear my boots that if you guys go watch Vlogmas day, today is the 12th, so it was Vlogmas day 9. You will see the white boots that I'm talking about. So then I was gonna do these as an option, and then I have, you know, y'all have probably seen this all over Instagram, the Instagrammy shirt or whatever, but it's really cute, long sleeves or whatever. This one as well, the cheetah print with the gloves. I have this as an option that I wanted to just bring. Because we are going to a strip club. I tried it on, that's why it's always like that. But just having that as club options. Pajamas. This is a daytime look. I don't know what pair of jeans I actually want to pack. Just a button up, and I'm going to wear the white boots with this. Then I just have like a mini bag and some gold accessories and a nice like cute lip. And then I'm like literally just walking around. And then over here I have like my leather jacket that I want to bring. This bag for this look, and I have this Guns N' Roses t-shirt, and that's why I have the 2 jean options, because I can wear one of these with this, or the liquid leather pants. I can wear this with these netted shoes as option. And then this is my airport fit. It's just a turtleneck and top. I wore it to go Black Friday shopping, and we didn't go anywhere, so yeah. throwing that back on. And then I have my Christmas two-piece set because we're having a pajama party tomorrow. So I'm just going to wear this. And where's my Grinch socks? My Grinch socks are over there with like my bras and stuff like that. And then these are just on my bed. So I have everything laid out. Shoe wise, I'm bringing 1, 2, 3 pairs of shoes, and then I'm wearing a pair of sneakers. Wear my Prada. Yeah, I'm gonna wear my Prada sneakers. I need to clean them. So I'm just hoping and praying that it will fit in my suitcase. I'm actually gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, you guys, because I'm gonna just like throw this stuff in my suitcase. I'm about to take a shower and then I'm going to sleep. I'm like really sleepy, and I'm gonna wake up early, like early, and finish up everything that I need to do, which is like my hair. I didn't end up taking my braids out to get my hair washed because I literally sat on the phone. I was on the phone for like 3 hours and it set me back so much time. So I'm gonna do my hair in the morning. Trying to think what else I could do in the morning. Pack up my makeup stuff. No, I need to do that now actually, because that needs to go in the suitcase. Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end Vlogmas Day 12. Hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas Day 12. I'm trying my best to give great content. This week was like a really rough week. It was real iffy, but Vlogmas Day 13, 14, and 15, and the rest of freaking Vlogmas is going to be lit, because after this trip from me going to St. Louis, we have a week before Christmas, so we have Christmas shopping that we have to do. I have to wrap presents. I have to go look at some window displays because that's like a thing here in New York. So it's a lot that we have to do, and of course Christmas itself, we have activities and stuff like that planned because my family's coming up, because I'm the lucky host this year. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Say thank you guys for watching. I'm really proud of myself for, you know, making it this far and being as consistent and trying to be as consistent as I have been. I kind of fell off the wagon, but you know, still going, still trying to put up lit videos. So thank you guys, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.